Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be attempting again this 3D French tip thing that is going on YouTube right now. I can't seem to get it. These are my attempts. This one was with nail polish. Hopefully you guys can see it. Guys, you hear that fly? Anyways, this was done with polish, which I thought was a good idea. Was a good job, but it doesn't look like a good job to me. No viewing it. And then I did this one. This one was my first attempt. These two were my first attempt. Nothing. What is? And then I tried this. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. And then I tried this again. Fail. So I'm gonna try it again. I will be trying it again. So hopefully I'll be using polygel. I'll be using soft pink and change color. So the voiceover thing now work for me, so I'll be doing it live. So it really now work for me. If you guys check out my last video, you'll be hearing me stammering and stuttering. It can't work out. All the other voiceovers that I have done are fails. So today, instead of using acrylic and nail polish, I'll be using some acrylic gels. I have a bunch of them. So I got 5 of them. So I'll be using probably these two colors are the same. Okay, one is primary cane and one is dark violet. One is dark violet and one is primary cane. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the green just yet. Well, these are the 5 colors that I'll be. These are probably the 3 colors that I'll be using. I won't be using the yellow and the brown. So yeah. So I'll be using some acrylic paint to see if I have no justice, cause really and truly. So I'll be getting a container. So I have my water. So I'll be squeezing that in that. Then I have my alcohol. Then I have my nail. Hopefully you guys can see it. I got the light bright now. Alright. So it will be live commentary. There won't be any voiceovers. Praise the God. I'll be using my Sonex nail lamp that I purchased off Amazon. If you guys are interested in it, go purchase it, go get it. It's very cheap to me, I think. So we're going to start. I'm going to get this fly is annoying me. So I'm going to get my polygel brush. Alright. Let's kind of zoom in. Zoom in on the target. I'm going to use my soft pink. So I'm going to take it out on my spatula. As I described in my previous videos, despite the stammering, I was just nervous. So you're going to scoop some on your spoon, on your spatula. Cover the rest. Apply it. I don't think I'll need any more than this. Oh God, polygel can be so messy. it's cured. I'm going to add a little bit more. So add some of your spatula, a little bit more, just like that. I think I'm going to try to create polygel, because it says just a mixture of a gel base and acrylic, which is interesting. So I will be trying out that video. So now we're going to get aqua gel. I think I'm going to use just the primary cane and the emerald green, so you guys actually can see a difference. Because let me tell you, I've been going at this thing for a little while now. I don't need a lot. I've been going at this for a little while now. I'm not successful. If I'm not successful right now, after this session, I won't be doing anymore these 3D nail art thing. I'm battling if I should use polygel or acrylic for the second part of this, but let's go. Let's see if I'm successful. I'm probably going to use some acrylic because I can manage it better right now. And I have my water. Okay, so now it's filed to my liking. If filed to my liking, I'm going to use green. So this is what I'm working with. You like it at home. Can't see. So make up a bit. So this is how it is looking. I'm going to see if I can put 2 more colors. I just added the violet there. So I'm going to put the violet and then the blue. It look like it go somewhere. I'm gonna give it a chance. I'm gonna give it a chance. This is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to add the last color. Finally, this process was so long. I don't think I'll be offering this to a client. I don't think I will. This took at least about 25 minutes to get done, and I'm sure that this video is not going to be as long, but yeah, I took 25 minutes to complete one nail. So, feel proud of myself. Big up my damn self. I'm proud of myself. Look on this. Tell me say this on a 3D. Tell me say this on a 3D. Tell me say this on a 3D French. Come on, come on. Never compare them right now. Even though they're not filed. Hold on. God. Let me see if I can find one that looks. I'll find the 2 of them as a matter of fact. Put them down right there. Look now. Tell me. Tell me. There's no comparison. And it's not even fine. Hold up. I'm coming for you. So this is the final result. See, these other nails can't compare to this. I'm really proud of myself. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification so you get notified each and every time I upload. And don't forget to like and comment down below. And thank you guys so very much for watching my videos, and have an awesome day. Peace. I'm out.